Although tinatamaan siya dito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown.
Kung hilo si Pasong Pirang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky. Pero
He went down, he went punch. Brought down Pasang in this round.
Eto na
Ito na naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it.
Dito.
It's over. It's over.
Ngunit bago yan mga idol, magkikisuyo lang po, tulungan niyo po ako maabot ang 10k followers. Sana po ay mag-follow na kayo, maraming salamat po.
Magandang araw mga idol. Matapos nga po durugin ni Manny Pacquiao ang tatlong Meksikano na sina Emmanuel Lucero, Marco Antonio Barrera at itong si Juan Manuel Marquez, ay tila nagkaroon ng pagpapasya ang Team Pacquiao na palakasin pa ang kanang kamao ng ating pambato. At tinawag nga po nila ang pamatay na opensa na ito na Manila Ice. Kaya naman sa mga sumunod na laban ni Manny Pacquiao, ito ang mabivirginan sa kanyang dinidevelop na atake. At ang kanyang nakaharap nga sa bakbakan ay ang napakahalimaw noon na Thai fighter na si Fasang Pirang, o mas kilala na Tricky Battery. Masyado na nga pong namihasa sa mga Pinoy ito mga idol, sapagkat 22 na ng mga Pinoy ang kanyang winasak. Talagang tirador ito ng mga Pinoy boxer. Kaya naman sa laban nila ni Pacquiao ay naniniwala ang Thai boxer na kaparehas ng mga pinulbos niya ng mga Pinoy ay ganoon din ang mangyayari kay Manny Pacquiao. Ngunit ang hindi niya alam na mas halimaw pa sa halimaw ang kanyang nakaharap. Sa sobrang lakas ng Pinoy ay umangat sa ere ang dalawang paa ng Thai fighter. Ibang uring nila lang si Pacquiao at dito na mas lalong nahubog ang kanyang Manila Ice. At alam naman natin ang sumunod na mga nangyari. Winalanghiya niya ang pinakamalalakas na world champion sa buong mundo.
Kita natin na Kinito dito, nakatago, no? Hindi niya alam kung ano itong opponent niya na ito. Again, trying to connect and trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao quickly connecting.
Mukhang all business si Manny dito, ha?
He has
Shooting
always
off his
been,
right jab. At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao just
And look-
before this fight. Sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking
yung
kanan.
That's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddy Rhodes. Oy, Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, ano? But Manny, nainis
Ito.
yata sa suntok na ibilis sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Ito na.
And Pasong
Manny
Pirang
Pacquiao
gets
on the
back
attack.
by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya alam.
Ngunit bago yan mga idol, magkikisuyo lang po, tulungan niyo po ako maabot ang 10k followers. Sana po ay mag-follow na kayo, maraming salamat po.
Ano sinusuntok niya?
Well, parang groggy na ito si Pasang, no? Very, very early in this fight. Manny Pacquiao has unloaded some of his bombs. Pero si Pasang kanina, nakatama din ng isang matinding suntok. Hindi nakakasigurado dito si Manny Pacquiao.
Tabi yung left na yung kanyang kanan na pinanjab niya, no? Basic na basic yan, sumasabay doon sa kanyang pag-step. And Manny Pacquiao getting a measure of Pasong Pirang now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang.
Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. Very, very concentrated. Hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw in terms of his footwork. Wala siya masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na ito with 1:25 to go. Ito, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Freddy Estrella calls it wisely, it's a slip. Ito pong si Pasong Pirang lost his footing pag-atake nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Manny now, again, trying to bounce, trying to use that right, trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left-right.
Nabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Pasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Pasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, maka kung sa iba yun, mawawarning nga si Manny dahil
Oo.
tinulak niya
Dalawang
pababa.
beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more.
Etong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round number
Chino,
1.
ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Pasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together.
Finito.
Ito,
Maagang
pinutugbog niya. Si
30-second warning mga kaibigan sa first round natin in Pasang. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand. Sneaked in that time. What a round. But plano niya is to be able to start unloading mga 4 or 5 rounds kung tatagal yung laban.
Ito nakikita natin ang highlights itong bakbakan na ito. Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against the Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward, ano, sumusugod siya. thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gustong punches ni Manny. That was the first slip ruled by Coach
A lot of those punches of Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Fasang. Ito si Fasang now also showing a jab.
Tandaan nyo, sinabi nitong si Pasang, si 3K Battery na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Fasang. Although tinatamaan siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown. That is a knockdown. Definitely knockdown yun. Tinamaan si Fasang.
Sa noong tinamaan dito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage. Barrage.
At nayanig po dito sa Taguig. Ito si Pasong 3K Battery. The first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might
Sino?
be coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yan pong kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malado kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Fasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh.
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman
Sa
kung
dami
paano
ng suntok.
susuntok.
Sa dami ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sana ang depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing him with that left. Yan po si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. And so far, hindi pa siya makapag-landing ng isang matinding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bumagsak si Fasang, but Fasang is still standing. He's still fighting back. Oh!
Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Pasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Fasang. Manny Pacquiao is mauling Fasang 3K Battery.
Short of toying around with this guy. Going to the midsection and going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails him with that right of his.
Alam mo,
He goes to the body. Grabe ang variety, Kinito.
You have to give it to Fasang, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na tinanggap niya from Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao again working out that right of his. Trying with that right looping shot. They're trying to master yung right cross, Kinito. This is round number 2.
Now, nakita din natin yung mga suntok ni Manny, hindi lang sa mukha, kundi sa tagiliran din, no? The side of the body.
10-second warning.
Fasang looks like he's going to survive this second round assault. Bumagsak siya in this round.
And end of the second round. Kanya, makikita nyo ulit yung jab, which looks like more of a straight. And then, ayun,
Yung tumama
narinig,
yung left, yes.
nayanig.
So,
Girdle.
he's got to be able to take care of Fasang
Pasok,
3K Battery.
Ito, back dito sa ating bout. Round number 3. Manny Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito si Pasong Pirang with his right lead. Going up and down. Manny Pacquiao nails him with the left. Ito si Pasong Pirang. Kinito.
Well, he got rocked that time.
Pero matibay Kinito. Nakikita ko. Nasasalo niya yung mga suntok. Now whether he's able to withstand the punishment.
Oo, Chino, parang pinasusuntok
Ayun na
niya
naman.
lang si Manny. But here is Fasang absorbing a lot of punishment.
And Manny Pacquiao getting a good workout dito sa first 2 rounds.
Oh, talaga. At sabi ni Manny, alika, suntukin mo ako. Para makatikim din ako, sabi niya.
Saka kanina kagulat-gulat, Kinito, nakita ko si Manny na doon sa pre-fight tradition, yung tradition ng pre-fight, no? Nakangiti. Nakatawa si Manny Pacquiao.
Very
May
loose siya.
ngiti
He
Yes.
was very loose before this fight. Very, very confident. At ito, tinatamaan na naman ng kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. Very slippery din ito si Fasang. Magalaw.
Yung pina-practice niya, no? Right straight naman. Titignan natin maigi, no? Yung left, or rather that right hand that they're trying to work at. Ito pong corner ni Manny Pacquiao, led by, of course, Coach Freddy Rhodes.
Pasundot-sundot lang
Pero
si
parang
Fasang.
straight na siya, no? Kasi gusto nila, maturuan ito si Manny Pacquiao ng parang style ni Larry Holmes na yung kanan na jab, parang straight na halos.
Exactly. Yan parang nakikita natin. No? Yung jab ni Manny Pacquiao na kanan, parang panakaut na din yun eh. It has a lot of power. Hindi lang pag-setup, no? Although it could also be a setup for his left hand or yung combination right, left, right. Ito, bumabalik si Fasang. Again, yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Manny should not be frustrated na hindi pa niya napapatulog itong kalaban niya, no?
Grabe.
Malayo pa to. It's a 12-rounder. Pero matibay itong Fasang. He has been able to take a lot of those punches. He went down once in round number 2.
Trying that right upper ngayon. But Manny gets tagged with that left by Masong Pirang. Both fighters again fighting out of the southpaw stance. No, ayun, tumama si Manny Pacquiao with that left lead.
Overhand left. Well, what we have to also watch is baka naman masunog ito si Manny, no, sa dami ng mga suntok na binibitawan niya sa laban na ito. He's got to pace himself. Scheduled for 12 ito. Matibay ang kanyang kalaban.
Pero sinabi kanina Kinito, narinig natin, sabi ni Coach Freddy Rhodes, if we have to go 12, then so be it. Ano?
Oo.
Yan ang sinasabi nila sa kondisyon ni si Manny dahil maraming nagdududa sa kondisyon itong si Manny Pacquiao. But Coach Freddy Rhodes said, I guarantee you, if we have to go 12, we will go 12. Meron lang kong konting, nako, ito na, under 5 seconds at hilong-hilo si Pasong Pirang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky. Pero
He went down.
bibilangan
He
niya,
went
bibilangan
down.
niya.
Yes, tama yun.
Walang fighter to be saved.
Bumagsak siya. And I thought that was a legitimate knockdown.
It was. Kaya nga magaling ang basa ni Freddy Estrella na ito ay isang knockdown at the end of the round at the bell ito. Again, no fighter can be saved after the bell. And Pirang, ito na, alam na ni Manny kung anong gusto niya. Manny has gotten his range but he gets nailed with the left. Manny comes back with that looping right.
Alam mo, very loose na din ang defense ni Manny at this point. Ha? Kung meron pang ibubuga ito si Pasan, dapat ipakita niya ngayon. Because here's an opportunity for him. Manny's fighting very loose, very confident. Napapagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban.
Meron nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Pasong Pirang. Again, hindi
I don't think so.
uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin isk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga ng mga kanonito,
Oh yes! One punch! The left hand!
The left hand.
Left hand!
That left upper, Kinito.
Parang upper yun.
It's an upper left hand. That nail. This is the 3rd knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Pasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Pasan in this round.
Eto na
Ito na
naman.
naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it.
Dito.
It's over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Win-workout lang yung kanan.
Grabe.
So nakita naman natin mga idol kung paano winakasan ni Manny Pacquiao ang pananalasa ni Tricky Battery sa mga Pinoy boxer. Brutal knockout ang inabot sa kamay ni Pacman. So hanggang dito na lang muna tayo mga idol at sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang ating video. Maraming salamat po.